Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi, and welcome. If you're considering creating videos as a way to make money on YouTube, Magiclight could be an excellent option. I'll share more about Magiclight in a moment, but first, here's a simple tip to help you create content that people actually want to watch. Discovering what your audience wants is easy and free. I suggest using a free tool called Ubersuggest, which offers both a website and a browser extension. One of the hottest niches on YouTube is children's videos, and a successful children's channel can earn around $2.50 per 1,000 views. If a channel gets 2 million views per month, it could generate about $5,000 per month as a YouTube partner. According to Social Blade, one of the top children's video channels on YouTube earns a minimum of $3,000 per day on most days. Magiclight is perfect for creating children's videos, but before I dive into that, let's take a closer look at how Ubersuggest can help shape your YouTube success from day one. How Ubersuggest can guide your YouTube strategy. Here, you're seeing a screenshot of the search results for the keyword phrase, children's videos. Based on Ubersuggest's data, this phrase gets about 20 searches per month, which isn't ideal for reaching a large audience. Instead, you need a search volume of at least 1,000 searches per month with a search difficulty score in the 30s or lower. The lower the search difficulty, the less competition you'll face. A better alternative is the suggested keyword phrase, children's video about dinosaurs. This phrase gets 9,900 searches per month with a search difficulty score of 7, which is spectacular. A difficulty of 7 indicates about a 93% chance of success, meaning there's strong demand but little competition. Why Magiclight is great for children's videos. If you decide to create a YouTube channel and give Magiclight a try, the free trial allows you to create about 3 one-minute videos without a watermark. Here, you're seeing the Magiclight dashboard, where I'm scrolling through the available styles. Out of 15 styles, approximately 12 work best for children's videos. If you fall in love with Magiclight, and you probably will, you can upgrade for less than $8 per month. The paid version can create videos with a single prompt, but for longer videos, adding more detailed prompts will result in better videos. In this example, you're seeing a 2.5-minute children's video. Studies show that viewer retention drops after about 60 seconds, and then declines significantly around the 2-minute mark. So, longer videos might not be the best strategy for a kid's channel.
Final thoughts. Creating children's videos is fun, and Magiclight does almost all the work. Just don't forget to use free tools like Ubersuggest to craft content that your audience actually wants to watch. If you found value in this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel so you never miss future content. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.